Hey everyone, in this video you will learn the drawing of this cute dog and the coloring as well. So let's get started. Here I'm using this protector to make this drawing super easy. So at the very first I'll draw a line around. So this is the line. Here I'm giving 2 points. These are the points and a flat line. No shine. Now I'm connecting these points with this flat line. Okay, I'm using the sketch pen for the clear visibility. You can use the pencil for the drawing first. Okay, so these are the triangular shapes for the ears. So simple floppy ears. Okay, it is done there. So here I'll connect it again. Okay, it is done. Let's draw the eyes now. 2 circles, 1 circle and 2 small circles and a curved line. Fine, it looks very cute, है? So in the center I'm drawing the nose. It is done. Let's do the black color here. We will also leave this white space. Fine, जो मैंने white space छोड़ी है वो आपने भी छोड़नी है, ऐसे ही जैसे मैंने छोड़ी है. Okay, now this band. Here I'm giving a point for the accuracy. Okay, the body is very simple. You can easily copy and can draw this. Just connect the lines like this. I'm giving 2 points and another 2 points at the angle. Okay, almost done. The drawing of this dog is very simple. Cute dog. But I am giving a twist to my dog. So here my dog will hold a rose. Like this, I am drawing a curved line here. A leaf and a simple rose. Just here. Leaves and the rose. Very simple rose drawing. Okay, it's done. Let's do the colors now. I'm using brush pens. You can also use the brush pens. So here I'm using the ochre yellow color. This is ochre yellow color. Just draw the lines like this first and then fill in. Just draw these lines for highlighting. I will leave the space for highlighting, white space. Draw this. Okay, just done. Fine. So let's do the shade with the orange color. Just here. आपको क्या करना है, अच्छे से नोट करना है कि मैं कौन सा कलर कहाँ लगा रही हूँ. Just note down the spaces where I'm giving the shade. Okay, it's done. Next color is red. Let's do the band and heart and rose. Okay, it looks very vibrant now. Good. Okay, green now. Giving shade with the darker tone. Almost done. It looks very cute. I hope you have enjoyed a lot. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो मेरी वीडियो को करना लाइक और चैनल को करना सब्सक्राइब. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.